David is inviting you to a demo. What's in the demo, just so you can know what to expect? Well, the dirty little secret is that 30% of personality assessments are not worth the paper they are printed on. But basically, people fake or game their answers. They're not paying attention, or they're projecting who they'd like to be into those profiles. We're going to take you behind the firewall, look at 3 profiles. You can touch the buttons and see exactly how the analysis is performed. We remind you of the power of Winslow as a diagnostic and development tool, which means it converts from an assessment tool, who to hire, immediately into a coaching tool for your manager or an outside coach to apply from day one. That creates massive positive momentum from day one. And then we use the Winslow Managers Report to coach them to brilliance. So what are we doing? We're helping identify good fits and keeping the misfits at the door, because often people interview well but fail in the job. And we know this happens half the time. So we are reducing that risk greatly. You get detailed reports for $199. You get a position compatibility summary, which predicts their likelihood in any role to succeed in that role. You get an executive report, you get a manager's report, how to coach this person, and the participant gets a detailed 30 to 50 page report summarizing all their traits and giving them action plan suggestions. That X-ray, that objective X-ray, informs the best next steps. Leadership Academy, Sales Academy, or one-on-one coaching.